Welcome back to Tatsulok FB. I've got this package from Obsius Fingerboards and I've been saving this for my anniversary build. I've always been wanting to have an OBFB complete, but I really never got around on trying any of their products. So huge shout out to Roll the Thunder FB for convincing me to try this Obsius complete, and interestingly, this is also a very special build which we'll see in a bit. I won't keep you waiting, so let's keep going and open this up. Alright, let's slow down a bit cause there's a lot happening here. I've got the wheels, the trucks, and the deck. Obsius were really generous sending this out. We got a bunch of stickers from OBFB. Three sheets of foam tape and a sheet of clear tape. And man, check this out. They even gave me an extra screwdriver. This will definitely be put to good use whenever I'm building fingerboards. Now let's take a look at these three. I got these mini wheels from Obsius, which is a nice black and gray swirl. .32mm Obsius trucks with gold hangers and copper base plates. Yo, check this out! This is so cool. I got this signed tin by Nino, which by the way is the artist who had a collab with Obsius. Let's see what's inside. Alright, let's get back on track. So this is a photograph of Margielyn Hidal, a Filipina skater which Nino chose as one of his collab works for Obsius. If you like what you see here, go check out OBFB's website for more info and support Nino's works for Obsius FB. Let's take a quick look on this deck before we start building. It's an OBFB Artist Collab series in 32mm and the deck has a nice popsicle shape, a medium to high kick, and a decent amount of concave. The top ply has that signature OBFB grab which I really dig when I first saw this, and I am really happy with this purchase and I can't wait to build this now. One final check and a kickflip test. We're good to roll some clips. So there you have it. Huge thanks to Nino Bacalso and Obsius FB for this awesome setup. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next.